Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, March 6th. So what's going on today? So at 8:30 we had the unemployment claims, which came in at 221K, which is better than expected. Yeah, labor market's still very resilient, considering we haven't seen the effects of the federal employees being laid off or fired from the Elon Musk Dodge workings yet. That will flow through the economy soon, and we will start to see those numbers, and they will not be pretty. Revised non-farm productivity was slightly better than expected, 1.5% versus 1.2%. Revised unit labor costs were less than expected, 2.2% versus 3%, and U.S. trade balance was worse than expected, 131 billion versus 128 billion. At 8:45, we have FOMC member Harker speaking. 10 a.m. we have final wholesale inventories. 10:30 natural gas storage. 3:30 FOMC member Waller speaking, and then after the market closes, we have FOMC member Bostic speaking. So there's your news. Not anything really obnoxious or interesting, is what it is. Moving on. Market is gapping down after our little relief rally yesterday. Volume on the relief rally was is better than average, but not as good as it has been. You'd expect that if everybody thought this was the bottom, you'd have a lot more people buying in. Not the case. So a little bit worrisome there. Gapping down. Again, this bottom here, 57.43. I actually think we could see 57.14-ish, maybe even 5,700 is within the daily range. Yeah, could get ugly. On the upside, we're bouncing back up into lots of overhead resistance. So first area of resistance is probably going to be around 58.84, 5,900-ish. Yeah, so there you go. That's the kind of the bigger picture. Looking at inventory was positive yesterday, 19,000 on positive price action. That would be expected, and the market looks like it was acting relatively normal yesterday. We'll see how that goes today. Overnight action, approximately 84 points, which is way, way above average, about 4 times average, actually. Where do we have support and resistance? We've got a lot of support at 57.49.75. We'll round that to 47.50. We've got a little bit more confluence around 57.22, 57.10-ish, and 5,700, the whole number. Resistance on the top side, 5,800, of course, a big mental number, but you can see there's confluence around 58.07. There's also some around 58.23, and a lot of overhead resistance confluence-wise at 58.46. If we could get going past that, 58.70. Those are some of the major levels that I'll be watching today. Stock Trader's Almanac is 47.6, so a slight negative bias. Not too much, but still a negative bias. And that's the end of the story for today. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.